Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to add members, guests, and admin on Notion. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. Click on Settings and Members in the left sidebar of your workspace. Step 2. Managing members. Admins can easily add new members using the Add a Member button. Choose between admin or member status. Admins can also remove members, ensuring workspace integrity. Step number 3. Guest collaborators. Invite external collaborators like clients or contractors to specific pages. Simply navigate to the page, click Share, and invite a person via email. Guests have a free access to the pages you share. Step 5. Public access. Share read-only pages with non-Notion users by enabling public access in the Share menu. Public the page to the web and share the link with ease. I have a full tutorial about that, so just check it out in the description below. Step 6. Fine-tune permissions. For larger teams, create permissions groups to customize page access. Perfect for granting editing rights to some and viewing access to others. But you need to upgrade first your plan to be able to access it. So Notion's customizable permissions empower your team to collaborate effectively, ensuring smooth workflow and secure interactions. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.